Hey guys, it's Brad. So hopefully everyone's doing well. I have this in what's called a Wakelet, which is actually pretty cool. If you're ever interested, let me know. I love this site because you can store anything that has a link. Plus, you can also go ahead over here and select this. It's called Immersive Reader. It's actually by Microsoft, and it can read anything. Of course, it can change into male, female, slow it down. You can also go ahead, you can make it larger or smaller. You can change the font size. You can change themes. And there are more colors down here. It's also pretty neat because you can take it anywhere to nouns, show verbs, adjectives, all that. Syllables as well. And another one, which is really kind of cool, there's a picture dictionary, which is kind of neat. There's also a line focus. So, and this is totally free. So again, if you're ever interested, let me know. And you can translate this into any language. So if you wanted to translate it into Chinese, you can go ahead and do that, and it will read it aloud. So pretty cool. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, though, let's go ahead back. And I just have a few things in here for you. The first one, let's talk about coding. So if I have the login codes here, so you can see how to log in. Easiest way to do it, though, is to go into code.org/join and then go ahead and enter in this code. So I'm just going to copy this code, and you'll see that each kid has their own unique secret picture. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's just going to look like this. Select join, and then they just choose their name. So I'm going to select Jack, and I think he's a dog. Where's the dog? Of course, I can't find the darn dog. Oh, there it is. And just select sign in. And then they will have to say their age. So, how old is it? 7. And then select continue. What I did is I had started everybody at, I believe I started them at level C. So what will happen, the first one that comes up is going to be a video. So it's programming with Angry Birds. And then you're going to see basically what's going to happen. If they select number 2, they'll go ahead through. All the information is going to be here. The video is going to show you everything, but basically what the kids are going to need to do is they need to move forward 2 spaces. And the kids have probably done this at school, but it's kind of cool when they can just kind of do it on their own. When they're ready, they select run, and they go on. You can even show the code here. Now, it does get a decent amount harder, especially as you go through, so you can see some repeating. If kids want to change it, if they want to do something easier or harder, just select what's called the hamburger up here. That's really what it's called. Go into course catalog, and what you're going to see, so here's grades K-5, 6 to 12, beyond. You can select learn more. You can see some pre-reader things, course A all the way through F. So you have all those things. Now you also have down here, you also have Hour of Code resources as well. So there's coding, pretty easy. Let's go to the next one. So the next one, okay, Epic. Epic is probably my favorite because it has over 35,000 books available for you for free. Only thing is this, it's only available during the school hours. So they have a deal with publishers that lets them have all these books available for kids for free. But it's only available, I think it's like 7 in the morning till 4 at night. Now, if you want, you can go ahead in and you can sign up for, I think it's 30 days for free. So if you're interested, go ahead and do that. But what will happen is this. I'm just going to copy this code. Kids will have to go into getepic.com/students. So it'll look like this. Enter in the class code. Yeah, it's going to be right here as well. Because select go. Now, what will happen is it's going to come up saying, well, they have to choose their name. So let's go in as, it's going to be in alphabetical order by first name. So I even have a guest student. So if you wanted to check that out, you could certainly do that. Let's go into Sid.
Hi.
So you can see right here.
You love using Epic at school.
Okay.
If you want to use it at home,
All right.
go get a grown-up to help you.
Okay, so there you go. So you could go ahead and you could say, I'm a grown-up, and you could sign up for $5.99 a month. Really, you get a 30-day free trial. So this would be perfect right now. Let's go on to the next one. But again, it's brilliant. It's awesome. It's easy to find the books that you're looking for. As a matter of fact, let me go into it as me. So here I am. So if you want to search for things, let's just say you like, well, actually, if you just see right here, you can see all the different options you have. So let's say you do want sharks. You can go through sharks, and over here is age. So let's just go with 8-year-old, and it will go through and give you 8 years of age. Now you can see these. The ones that have the green are read to me, so obviously it will read it aloud. They could pause it, but here it is. Okay, I'm going to pause it for right now, but you can just go page to page, read through it. So pretty cool. Some of them have quizzes at the end. If they're interested, if they like a book, they can just favorite it right up here and save it to their favorites. So pretty awesome. As they're looking through, there are ones that are just books. There are videos, read to me, so you can just go ahead and go through it. And there are ones with quizzes. So again, check it out if you're interested. I work on this stuff all the time, so I could answer any questions that you have. Next one is this Prodigy. So Prodigy's cool. It's math related, and instead of just having the kids just answer math questions like Khan Academy does, it actually is kind of an adventure game where they have to cast these spells and kind of quote unquote battle other people. It's not really battling. It's just they're going to ask a question. Hey, how many sides does a triangle have? They answer 3. Boom. They go ahead through and answer some more questions and travel through and level up and all that kind of stuff. But it's used by well over 1 million students, and it's really pretty fun. So what I would do is if I was you or your kids, either have them sign up with a Google account if they're going through school, or just sign up as a new player, and then you can sign up. There's information in there where you can sign up as a parent. And the last one, if you're just looking for some math for them to do, right in here is Khan Academy. You can go ahead through. So if you just select Khan, kids can go ahead and log in or sign up. If you're not interested in signing up at all, what you can do is just come over here to courses and just say, look, I want to work on 3rd grade stuff. And, here is all the information for math, 3rd grade, and they can go ahead and just choose whatever it is you want them to work on. And here it is. They just select practice, and boom, they answer the questions just by saying, let's go. They go ahead through and answer the questions. If you want them to save, though, I'd recommend signing up. And if you notice that at the very beginning here, that's not showing up right now. This right here is how can Khan Academy be used for remote learning. So I left that in here for you. Go ahead, check that out. It answers all your questions, your parent start guides, all that kind of stuff. And there's a free webinar coming up on Wednesday if you're really interested. So there you go. So sorry this was so long, but I hope it helps a little bit. And of course, like I said, anything you need, if you have questions, this is what I deal with all the time. So I kind of enjoy it. All right, talk to you later, guys.